Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we present with step-by-step tutorial on how to draw Hello Kitty holding a heart. So, stick around because we've got you covered. Alright, let's get started on sketching Hello Kitty with a pencil. Start by sketching an oval for Hello Kitty's head and then the body and the heart right in front her chest. After completing the sketch, start thickening the image with a thin black marker. Start from Hello Kitty's head. Now erase the sketch with a pencil eraser. After that, continue by coloring the picture. In this section, I will speed up the coloring process. You can coloring the picture with your favorite colors and creativity. After finished coloring, you can thicken the outline of the image with a thick black marker. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel for more adorable tutorials like this, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think or suggest what I should draw next. Let's spread some creativity and fun together. To wrap things up, let's recap the steps we took to draw Hello Kitty holding a heart. Remember, drawing should be fun and creative, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch to make it truly yours. Now, it's your turn. We encourage you to try drawing Hello Kitty yourself. Get creative and have fun with your drawings.